What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Curtis, and today we are out here. We're up here in Flagstaff, and it snowed for the first time this year, and it snowed pretty early because I think all those hurricanes and everything moved all the, moved it all over here. So we're just enjoying the snow. So we're gonna camp tonight in the snow. I got my diesel heat and everything. So let's get onto this trail. I'm a little worried. I haven't really off-roaded in a snow like this before, so something new for me, and hope these MT tires, these Falcon MTs, do good in the snow. It's not deep, but I'm just an Arizona driver. I don't know anything about snow driving, so we're gonna try it out.
Through these obstacles here. Hopefully Kurt doesn't scratch his shit on the way up. Okay.
Surprisingly, the MT tires are doing pretty good. They're just kind of cutting through the snow like they're supposed to. I mean, this isn't deep snow, but you know, it's pretty good snow. Yeah, really haven't slipped up that much.
No.
No?
This is looking more familiar right there. Yeah.
Well, guys, I really don't know if this is the spot we were at last time, but because it's just, you know, it's snowing, so I can't, in my perception of what is what, I can't figure it out. So, oh, look at that. It's a winter miracle.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. You get some pictures, and it's looking freaking sweet. This is cool. All right, guys, you might be able to hear me, but I think we might slip and slide down this right here. I don't know, we'll see how these MTs do. Go check it out. Oh, there's a big rock on my left. Oh. All right, guys, we finally made it up to camp. We're kind of like on the mountain of Flagstaff. So like Snow Bowl area, we're kind of up on the mountain right there. So we are hanging out, and it's snowing out right now. It's flurrying. It's flurrying, and I wore the wrong shoes. I'm wearing some like New Balance tennis shoes, and my feet are freezing. But come check out camp. So we're actually using a real fire this time instead of propane. Normally we do propane, but you know, it's time to change a little bit. So we got the real fire going. I still need to figure out how to get it light, a little bit lit up more. We got Finster chilling on the chair getting snowed on. And tonight we are gonna try to camp up in our new little setup here. I'm gonna pull this down. I'll show you guys what it looks like. I'm gonna pull the topper tent down and get this secured because it's gonna start snowing here pretty hard pretty soon. So we should probably do that right now. So, all right, guys, I better start hunkering down camp because it's snowing out here, and I think it's gonna get pretty crazy tonight. We'll see. Oh no, we didn't think of this. this one, did we?
What?
We're fucked.
Why do you gotta say that?
Look, this doesn't. This is supposed to wrap around the tailgate.
Well, you could probably just wrap the bottom part down here and then leave that kind of hanging.
It's all open to elements.
Oh. Finley, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? We're fucked! Just every time, I don't know if you guys can hear me, but every time something minor that's wrong happens, Kurt's like, we're fucked! We're screwed! And then I get super anxious. It's not a good time, so.
We're gonna be freezing! Oh no.
Good thing I brought my heating pad.
I brought the diesel heater, but we need to close this off first. That's our, like, issue.
Oh, little baby. Poor baby. Are we gonna be cold tonight? Are we gonna be cold tonight? You tell me, bud. You just did a baby.
Alright everybody, woke up this morning, frantically packed everything up because it is freezing outside. The diesel heater died in the middle of the night, so we were struggling back there. And look what we're gonna have to go wheeling through here to get out of here. Oh my god, I'm a little worried. I'm not a snow driver, but it's a winter paradise out here, guys. Look at this. Oh my god. But I don't know how we're gonna make it out of here because look at that, that looks freaking crazy. I don't know how we're gonna make it out of here because I gotta go straight up the mountain, try to turn over to the trail. Where's the trail at? I don't know, but wish me luck, guys. Let's fucking see how these MTs really work. Let's try to get out of here and make it home safe, or make it to the actual road safe, because I'm not an experienced snow driver, and we're up here in like 3 feet of snow. And yeah, this looks crazy. Look at this. Oh my god. We carved a path out of here. We've made it. Look at my shoes. Wrong shoes for this occasion, don't you think? Oh my god, this looks crazy. Oh my god. Fuck, we can't go that way, right?
That was the way I told you to
right
go.
Here, right? Yeah, because that goes off to nowhere. That's the way it does. Yeah. Oh my god, there's tree branches. Gonna take me out. Let's see if I can do
It's
this.
all gonna.
We're just gonna run through the tree branches here. Yeah. We got this, guys. We got it. Oh my god. Holy shit. So far, we're just going downhill now.
So far, so good, but we still have all that trail to go in the main road.
Into the ditch. Where is it? On the right? Straight.
Hold on. You went the wrong way.
What do you mean?
Hold on.
Yeah, straight ahead, right there.
Where are you getting onto the main trail?
Right here.
Okay.
I don't know what's over there, but oh my god, I'm just guessing at this point. This kind of looks like a trail. Oh lordy, this looks pretty freaking nuts here. I should probably move that drone. Oh yeah.
Nice, window open.
I mean, oh, there's a big crevice over here. I don't know what we're gonna do. Ah,
Where? Oh, I see.
there's a trail out right there.
Yeah.
Is that it?
Oh, good luck right here. It's water.
We're gonna gun it, baby. Let's go. Oh, yeehaw!
Oh my god.
Oh, look at that. Oh, there's a big dip here. Yeah. We're plowing it. We're plowing it. I can't see out the window. Ah! fuck's going on here?
So far, going the right way.
Momentum, baby, right? Pretty good for a desert rat.
Uh-huh.
Oh, fuck. We're on the edge of
It's getting a little...
Woo! I'm very impressed with these Falcon MTs, for sure.
They're doing what they need to do.
Alright guys, we might be screwed. I don't know, because the gate looks close, and I don't know what we're gonna do if the gate's closed. No clue. So let's hope it's open. My feet are freezing, and I just want some coffee.
Okay, we're about to find out if it's closed or not. I just know that for now.
I don't want to go down there.
Check it out.
Lost the drone. Oh, we lost some propellers. Damn.
Okay, well that's an easy fix.
Lee, help me out.
Let me look at it.
Snap the propellers off this side. Trying to get the battery. Oh, there's a truck coming. We gotta go. Alright everybody, we're back into the valley and it's freaking hot and we're not in the snow anymore and it's really sad. So that's it for this week's video. Just a little day trip up to the snow. We're getting snow in October, which is crazy for Arizona, but we had some fun out there in the snow, slipping, sliding around. The Falcon MTs did really good out in the snow. I'm honestly really surprised, but it was a fun time. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. The views have been down, so whatever you guys can do, it's free and it helps me out. And I love you guys so much. Take it easy. Bye.